let's talk about IFAC.
Oh, yeah.
Bit of a headache for Simon Harris in his first week or so as finance minister. Tell us what he said, what IFAC said.
Usual IFAC commentary, and they are quite right.
The Irish Fiscal Advisory.
The Irish Fiscal Advisory. They've been, they have been repeatedly warning for a number of years now that government spending is off the charts. They're quite right. It has increased exponentially. And the planning ahead, the planning for that is very, very poor. And IFAC effectively said that you are not forecasting properly, you are not budgeting properly. And there was one line that Seamus Coffey, the chair of IFAC, said, it's as if 2027 doesn't exist.
Because they hadn't budgeted for it.
Exactly. And we don't. So the context to this is that we've had ballooning departmental budgets for years, overruns consistently, what are called supplementary estimates, effectively mini bailouts towards the end of the year, the fudging of budget figures, this sort of almost, I would say, there's a word, it's like sleight of hand economics or sleight of hand financing every year from the government under Paschal Donohoe, then under Michael McGrath, under Paschal Donohoe again, Jack Chambers, and now Simon Harris. Is it a headache for Simon Harris? Not particularly, as in the government and Jack Chambers and Simon Harris have both committed to getting spending under control, but, they haven't. And IFAC will continue to make these warnings.